NIST 853 Revision 5 CM2 control is called baseline configuration. This requirement outlines what a baseline configuration is, how often it should be updated, and when it should be applied. A baseline configuration is a set of software that is considered required for the type of system being deployed. This can include the operating system, productivity software, security software, and administrative settings. Establishing a baseline configuration ensures that all similar systems have the same software loads to make deployment and maintenance faster. It makes remediation and scanning less of a chore as you can push the update package to a subset of systems with the same baseline software, potentially removing multiple vulnerabilities in one action. These baseline configurations should be reviewed at least annually to ensure the software still meets business needs, and each system should be reviewed when they are deployed or upgraded to ensure that they still meet that baseline configuration.